In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to migrate your WordPress site to Cloudways. This process can seem a bit daunting if you haven't done it before, but don't worry, I'll guide you through each step to ensure it's as seamless as possible. We'll cover everything you need to know from accessing the Cloudways platform to submitting your application. So let's get started. First, we need to visit the main Cloudways website. This is where everything begins. It's the hub for managing your server and applications. Head over to your preferred web browser and navigate to the Cloudways homepage. This page is designed to give you a streamlined entry point to their managed cloud hosting services. Familiarize yourself with the layout if it's your first time here. Next up, let's log into your Cloudways account. You'll find the login button prominently displayed, just give it a click. If you don't already have an account, you'll need to create one, but those of you already signed up can simply enter your credentials. Logging in will take you to your personal Cloudways dashboard, where you can manage all of your applications and servers. Once you've successfully logged in, you'll land on the Cloudways dashboard. Here, you have access to a wide range of tools and options. This dashboard is central to everything you'll do on Cloudways. Take a moment to look around. Even if you're seasoned, it's always good to be sure of where everything is before proceeding. Now, it's time to migrate your WordPress site. On the Cloudways dashboard, locate and click on the Application Migration option. This is a crucial step. By selecting this, you're readying the tools necessary to transfer your WordPress site from its current host to Cloudways. This page is specifically tailored to handle migration tasks, simplifying what could otherwise be a rather complex process. Finally, to conclude the migration setup, you'll now need to submit your application. You'll find the option to submit your application right there in the Application Migration section. Click on it to proceed. This step is essentially the green light to Cloudways stating that your migration request is ready to be processed. And there you have it. You've gone through all the preliminary steps for migrating your WordPress site to Cloudways. Just ensure that you double check all details and credentials to avoid any hitches along the way. With these steps complete, your site will soon be running on a robust cloud hosting platform. Thank you for watching, happy migrating, and see you in the next video.